So, folks, we're here at the MSPA conference. It is a Monday morning. I've already done my lecture for the day, so I'm down here in the exhibit hall. But my neighbor, he said, "Hey, what are you doing over there?" Now, are you afraid that you said that? Or,
No, I needed. Well, the truth is, I needed a place to plug in my phone, and he had a power strip. So,
okay, so we're going to tell the story as I bribed you. See what you got to do to get people to talk here at the
that's
conference?
okay. I like it. That's what I do.
Okay, so Ryan, what are you doing? Why are you here? What's going on?
Yeah, so I work for a company called Navitas. We're an energy services company. We try to help schools with facility and financial challenges, and we often get involved with school plant managers and school facility managers, and when we're working in construction, we like to get to know these folks too, not just the administrators and superintendents. So it's good to be here to rub shoulders with these guys and get to know them a little bit.
Yeah, you have to know everybody whenever you're doing this.
That's right.
And we're back at a live conference, so man, you're smiling about that.
Oh yeah. It was hard the last a year ago, 2 years ago. You lose connection with people and business slow down, and it's hard to make connections. So
don't be afraid of the camera, sir. It's not going to bite. See how it is? Everybody goes podcast. What's that? Podcasts aren't usually something you find here.
I know. I've never seen it.
Aha! So we got a first going on here.
That's right.
That's what we like.
I've been doing this for 10 years. I've never seen this.
So 10 years you've been at the conference. You've been with Navitas a little longer than that.
About 10 years.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. So you must find the show worthwhile.
Yeah. It's good. It's grown over the years. I think the organization's done a good job of including events that help us to get to know the folks, and social events, and they've done a good job, I think, in increasing vendors and also bringing a lot of facility folks. So it used to be, just a handful of people that would come, but it seems like, a lot of facility plant managers are coming, and even administrators. So I think that's a good thing.
I was talking to Charlie at the poolside last night, and he was saying they told him that the venue was too big, so he just said, "We'll just get more vendors."
It's a good idea. I like that.
Good. Oh yeah, we all like that, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so people don't come just for the vendor show. They came for classes. I did a class this morning,
Yep.
Rock Stars of Cleaning. Other classes are going on now.
Yep.
Yeah,
we have a session that we're putting on with Jeff City School Districts to share our process and how it can benefit schools. I think what Charlie always asks us, and I think it's a good thing, is that when vendors have a workshop, they're not trying to do a sales pitch, they're just trying to share what the value is for their kind of business, of how it can help school plant managers.
Yeah, I think that's right. There is a time for presenting our product and what we do, and there's a time for sharing.
That's right.
And a conference like this is networking.
Right. Yep.
That's what you just talked about.
Yep.
Okay. So this is going to be on the MSPA website. It's up there right now. So since it will be there all the time, Ryan, let people know who you are, what, and how they get hold of you.
Yeah, sure. So Ryan Terry with Navitas. Probably the best way to get a hold of me is just email, and that's ryterry, RYTERRY @navitas.us.com. That's NAVITAS.us.com.
Thanks, Terry, for coming by.